You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19.5k and we've seen on the 4-hour chart a little bit of move to the upside and this consolidation. And also on the ETH, we've seen the market rise up to this level of resistance. So what are we paying attention to now as we see the market begin to show some sign of bullish momentum to the upside? All of this and more into this video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you look at this very market, I was paying attention to markets coming down to this level of resistance, but the reverse is the case we are seeing right at the moment. You see this level of support here. We have support all over this area. I was expecting market to move down from here into this area of support, but we've seen a little bit of push to the upside with this bullish momentum. So right now what I am expecting is the market to move up, because if you look at the market right now, it seems that there is a little volume to the upside, and that also indicates that the bulls are willing to push the market to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to move into this area of resistance on the long term. That means this week and next week. Okay, and on the 4-hour chart, market has moved up to this area. So what you should be paying attention to is a breakout of this very level, and I'm expecting this retracement to happen between 20,000 to where the market is right now. So expect a retracement from this area. That means even though you see a breakout and market move up, don't jump into taking a position. Allow the market to retrace a little bit to the downside before continuation, because where the market is right now, this very consolidation coming to the market is already at the very peak of the market, and a retracement, no matter how little it is needed for the next move to the upside. So pay attention to the market retracing from this very area. That means expect the market to move back down a little bit, not this much, but just a little move to the downside, then continuation to the upside. Even though you see a push to the upside, that may not necessarily mean you should take a position for a long. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, the same thing. You see market has already moved from this area into this level, and from this chart, if you look at it very well, we have their resistance at this area, we have resistance here, and we have resistance where the market is right now. So expect the market to retrace between the 1350, that is 1350 level, to this very area where the market is. This very point, I'm expecting the market to retrace back down, then continuation to the upside. That is what I am expecting, and that is what I am paying attention to right now. So pay attention to this on ETH and also on BTC and on the 1-day chart. What do you think? Do you think the market is still going to move up to this area, or is we're going to see a sharp turn to the downside in line with what the 1-week chart is talking about? All of this is what I am paying attention to right now. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not joined the group, we have a free crypto training for beginners. The link to the WhatsApp group is in the description of this video right now. Join. And if you've not registered on Binance, check the description of this video and do your registration, and $600 bonus on Bybit right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.